If I could whisper one truth to my younger self, it would be this. Life is not about racing to the finish line. It's about surviving the storms, falling to the ground, and learning how to rise again. Stronger, wiser, and kinder. I'm over 50 now, and it took me this long to understand what really matters. But if you give me just a few minutes, I'll tell you everything life has taught me. So maybe you don't have to take 50 years to realize it too. There were days when I thought my story was over, when I was broken, tired, and lost. When I looked at the mirror and barely recognized the woman staring back at me. I had dreams that faded, people I loved who left. I faced heartbreak, disappointment, and moments where I stopped asking God, why me? And started asking, what are you trying to show me through this fire? But then I realized something profound. Every pain, every failure, every tear was not the end. It was preparation. I was being molded in the fire because, like a phoenix, I was meant to rise again. One day, I stopped asking why it happened to me and started asking what it was trying to teach me. That shift changed everything. I learned that peace doesn't come from having a perfect life. It comes from trusting that even the imperfect moments are part of a perfect plan. I learned that happiness is not found in what you have, but in how much you appreciate what you already have. That true strength is not never falling. It's rising every single time you fall. And love, the kind that heals you, begins with yourself and with God. The phoenix in me didn't rise because life got easier. It rose because I decided that no matter how hard life hit me, I would never stop believing that tomorrow can be better. I forgave people who never said sorry. I let go of things I couldn't control. And I chose to see miracles in ordinary days. I realized that gratitude is not just saying thank you. It's a way of living. It's waking up every morning and whispering, thank you, Lord, for another chance to live, to love, to begin again. So if you're watching this right now, feeling lost, broken, or unsure of where your life is heading, please hear me. You are not behind. You are not too late. Life doesn't have an expiration date for dreams. You can still start again. You can still rebuild. You can still rise. Because your story isn't over yet. Don't measure your worth by what the world sees. Measure it by how much love you've given, how much you've grown, and how much faith you still carry even when life tested you the most. It took me 50 plus years to realize that the secret to a beautiful life isn't about what you achieve. It's about who you become while walking through the fire. So rise. Rise from the ashes. Rise with faith. Rise with love. Rise with gratitude. Because when you rise, you inspire others to rise too. This is Dream Life Diaries, where every story is a flame and every flame ignites hope. Remember this, you are never too broken to rise again. Your story can still become someone's miracle.